How to fix WhatsApp images not showing in gallery. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. In WhatsApp, click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Then you'll find different options. Click on Settings. After you're in Settings, scroll down and click on Chats. In Chats, you'll find all these options pop up. Click on Media Visibility and turn it off. Make sure the circle is on the right side. After you've turned on this, go back and then click on Storage and Data. In here, click on When using mobile data, which is Media Auto Download. Make sure there's tick mark in all the options and press on OK. After you've done that, you can repeat the process when you click on When connected on Wi-Fi as well. After you've done that, you're good to go. This is how to fix WhatsApp images not showing in gallery. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.